TSS Building Sciences. We're here at a client's plaza here in Oshawa, Ontario. They've called us in. They've had some issues with the roof. It's a EPDM ballasted roof. It's a large mall, as you can see behind me. They've had issues with clients, tenants having water coming into the unit. So they've called us in. Unfortunately, they've had a couple contractors come in, try to do repairs. So they've called us in. We're hoping to be able to resolve the issues, kind of get to the bottom of it before they incur more costs with contractors. So I'll show you the job. Throughout the day I'll show you where we're at. The leaks tend to be in that section of the building. So the roof deck is running this way. Again, I want to open the roof, draw out the roof plan, and give the client an explanation of why the water is coming in. That's the consultant's job. That's what we're here for. So I'll show you the job later on today and we'll go from there. Thanks. Okay, so we're back. It's been about an hour. We've completed doing the drawing of a roof and we're going to present that to the client. So now, regardless of what happens, he's going to have a detailed roof plan of his own roof. So I'll show you some details that I think are suspect. It's stuff that, in the end of the day, a contractor might come in, he's got a certain amount of time, he's got a certain amount of hours, come in, do a repair and leave. As a consultant, what we want to do, we want to bring to the attention of the client different ideas, different reasons why his roof is leaking, and kind of give him a whole scope of the image. So here we see different areas. We have the ballast that has been removed, so you can see different patchworks. I'll lay them out. There's patchwork here, we have patchworks over here, and we have 3 or 4 different patchworks here. So it's pretty obvious that contractors have been here numerous times. What I can suggest to the client at this point, first of all, it seems that a lot of his leaks are on the same run of the flue to the deck. So it might be an interior plumbing issue. It might be an issue where we have seams of the EPDM lifting, running from one end to the other, and it might be also a drain line issue that different people might not think about. So I'm going to do a cut test. I'll bring you back, show you what the roof looks like from inside, and maybe it's an issue with how the membrane, how the insulation is all adhered together. So I'll bring you back and show you what that looks like. Thanks. Okay, you're back with TSS Building Sciences. We've done a cut test in the roof. We want to let the client know exactly the composition of the roof system. So we have a metal deck here. If you want to come a little closer, you might be able to see it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. We have a metal deck. We also have a layer of 1/2-inch fiberboard. And on top of that, we have a layer of 3-inch B-board. And on top of that, we have a 60 mil EPDM. What's holding the EPDM down, actually what's holding the whole roof system down, is the stones you see. In this case, I'm going to make an observation to the client that a lot of the stones that have been put on this roof are jagged. On an EPDM system, because it's a single layer system, we want smooth round river stone. We want the stones to be nice and smooth with no jagged edges. If a mechanical contractor or a pipe fitter comes up here and he steps on this stone, what's going to happen, he's going to take these sharp edges and rip right through the EPDM. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's pretty sharp. So those are just the observations we're going to make to the client. So that's where we're at. We're going to give them a report. Just a word about having a consultant on the job. If you're putting a new roof down, even existing roof, re-roof, you really want to hire a consultant. It's a nice way to keep an eye on the job. It's a big investment for the property owners, for the building managers. It's just something you want to, so your ace in your back pocket, make sure you're really getting your money's worth and getting what you're paying for, a good quality product. So, okay, TSS Building Science, we've completed the assessment here on site. Now it's time to go back, do the roof plan, put the photos together, and really put together a nice package where the client can look at it and say, this is the condition of my roof, kind of put a budget plan for himself as to what he wants to repair, what he thinks is important, and what he needs to repair. And also he has clients inside the building, so he's got to keep them happy too. So this specific assessment, I'm going to recommend a couple things. 1, to review the piping, the drainage line. 2, review some of the stacks. I saw some deficiencies with some stacks. And 3, if the budget can carry it, there is an area that a lot of his tenants seem to be complaining about. Consider re-roofing that area. That's just the bottom line of it. A building this size needs to be, the roof needs to maybe be addressed in different stages, different phases. So we're going to put together the condition report and give it to him, and the ball will be in his court at that point. TSS Building Science, if you're looking for a consultant in the Ontario region, give us a call. You can find us online, tssbuildingscience.com. We'd love to hear from you. And hope you guys enjoyed the show, and hope to hear from you. Thank you very much.